Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing a video from a show I've been watching. I've been watching Luke Cage, and there was a woman on the show, the detective. Her twist out was awesome. So I looked at the products that she used on her hair and I purchased them. So today's review will be on the products and seeing if I could achieve the same look that she did. So make sure that you subscribe, like and comment, and hit the bell below so that you'll be here for the next video. And we'll get right into it. Well, I've already washed my hair with the products that she mentioned. The Sacred Tiare conditioner and shampoo. I've already done that portion. So it's freshly washed. She didn't have a oil, so I will be using the Old Faithful Mielle Mint Almond Oil and the Buttercream Baby Buttercream and the Jamaican Castor Oil LOC and Braid butter. I actually caught this on sale at Target, so it was kind of a steal for me. I like deals. This was expensive. This was $32.99, and this is only an 8 ounce. So, I mean, it was definitely something I wanted to try, but for the price, if it's not a wow factor, I won't purchase it again. The Carol's Daughter, overall, I do like it. The shampoo was awesome. It suds up quick. The conditioner smells great, and that's something that I look for as well. I have to detangle my hair, and so I will part it in 4 sections on each side. It's actually funny because using Shea moisture products, I was using it at the beginning of my natural hair journey, and because more products had come out over time, I stopped using Shea moisture. But the product isn't bad. It's it feels more like a lotion, not too thick, not too light. I like it. The baby buttercream was something different for me. It was super thick, but it penetrated my hair very easily, which I like because, you know, everyone wants to make sure that the product isn't sitting on the top of their hair and it's actually moisturizing the hair. And I definitely saw that in my twist once finished. And I sped this up because I do a 2-strand twist all the time. So I just showed you a little portion of it on my hair and the definition that it was showing already. Finished product. Some of them are still wet. It's not parted perfectly, but it's done. The curls are juicy. They are moisturized. So we'll just see. I'll take it out and then we'll go from there. My definition on my hair is awesome. Of course I realize, my hair isn't as long as hers is, but the definition, I got the same results. So yeah, I would definitely try the products again. I would definitely use the same method that I did. I wouldn't change anything about it. So again, if you have any questions, comments, any suggestions for the next video, definitely let me know in the comment box. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell so that you'll be in tune for the next video. I'll see you guys next time.